Hey everyone, starting an online store and torn between Shopbase, Plusbase, and Shopify? Let's break them down, compare their strengths, and find the best fit for you. Here we go. First, we have Shopbase. It's built for dropshipping and print on demand. You get a 14-day free trial, pricing starts at $19 a month, and it's got tools for upselling and cross-selling. Customer support is top-notch with 24/7 live chat and one-on-one calls. It's perfect for beginners who want a focused, affordable platform. Next, we have Plusbase, a Shopbase spin-off. It's a dropshipping solution that handles everything: sourcing, fulfillment, even customer service. Pricing is $39 a month with a 3% transaction fee. It's super hands-off, ideal for those who want to scale fast without managing operations. Finally, we have Shopify, the e-commerce giant. Starting at $29 a month, it's versatile for any business, dropshipping, physical goods, or digital products. With thousands of apps, endless themes, and omni-channel selling, it's a powerhouse, but it can feel complex for newbies. Now, let's compare. Shopbase is great for dropshipping beginners, simple and budget-friendly. Plusbase is best for hands-off dropshippers who want automation. Shopify, it's the go-to for growing businesses needing flexibility and scale, but it's pricier and has a learning curve. So, what's the verdict? If you're just starting with dropshipping, go Shopbase. Want automation? Pick Plusbase. And for long-term versatile store, Shopify is your champ. Choose based on your goals. That's it, guys. Drop your questions below and happy selling.